In order for you to live a simple life, you have to recognize the mistakes that you have made in the past. For me, one of the mistakes that I have made, and I believe that a lot of people continue to make it, is the amount of gear that we accumulate over the years. So, over the years, you see a video, you see a comment, you see somebody's recommendation, and they say, get this, otherwise you won't make it. Get this if you want to have a better time in the wilderness. Get this because this is the ultimate tool. And a lot of the times it's just one of those things that your psychic is telling you need that. The problem is that your psychic tells you that quite often, and over the years you accumulate a lot. Take for example, behind me are a few bags that I have been using, and this ones I actually have been using, except for the green one. The green one, I bought it when I bought mine. This one is the one that I use, and I bought it when we moved here to Alaska because I wanted Dee to have a winter bag, an EDC bag, a bag that we can take with us. The problem is that Dee really does not like hunting much. The bag weighs, and I weighed before I started making the video, 24 pounds. That bag actually weighs more than, where's my here? My weighs 16 pounds with everything. And that green bag weighs more. For a person who is a little over 5 feet tall and who's not accustomed to go up hills or anything like that. Why? Because the what if? Well, that's where the problem lies, the what ifs. And of course, you get your judgment be influenced by that word, by those two words, what if? And then you get a whole bunch of scenarios in your head, and at one point you have to understand that there's only so much that you can prepare for, whether it's in life, whether it's in the wilderness, whether it's on your work, whatever it is. There's only so much that you can prepare for, and there's always going to be some sort of risk. Now, if you don't want to take that risk, then you just don't go. But if you want to take that risk and you don't want to have a bag that weighs more than you, then you're going to have to take, you're just going to have to roll the dice. And that's something that it harms us all, because you don't want to roll the dice. A lot of times you're like, no, I need to be as ready as possible, and I have to do this, and what if, and the what if increases pounds over pounds over pounds. And I'm pretty sure that you have been dealing with, that you have, if you open your closet, that you have a lot of clothes that you don't wear because you thought in 1 minute, well, what if it gets too cold? Well, I have it now. Well, what if it gets too hot? Well, now I have it here. But your location really doesn't get that cold, or your location really doesn't get that hot. Perhaps your needs are not the one who that person who advised you to get that item was, but you thought that it was cool. So I'm just want to mention this type of things to you all, because as we progress into a better, simple living, I want to bring in the mistakes that we have made, the mistakes that I have done over the years. That way you understand that how we moving is not because we're not prepared. It's not because we just ignore what's going on in the world. No, it's just we learn from our mistakes, and we moving into a direction with a better objective and a better view of what we need. So quite frankly, that bag right there, I'm gonna take everything out of it. In fact, I was looking for my sharpening stone, and this is a whetstone that I have for years, and I was going crazy looking for it. I opened that bag and it was there. I don't even remember why my sharpening stone was there when that is not even my bag. I retire this one right here, my shoulder bag, and I have a video coming up that we're going to be talking about that. I'm going to be using just my regular bag. The bag itself is a little heavier, but again, we will talk about that in an upcoming video. And last is going to be using his bag. His bag actually weighs just 12 pounds. You see, the thing that I'm trying to do here is for you all to be encouraging simplification, for you to be more having less clutter in your life, because with everything and the more that you see online, the more that you're gonna want to get, because you don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. Unfortunately, we don't have control over none of that, but just remember, if you really want to think about it, our ancestors lived with the bare minimum and they did it. So we can do it as well. We just got to get into that mindset. We don't need 50 knives. We just need a good one. We don't need to have massive backpacks for everybody. You know, everybody's needs are different. We just need to have what we truly, truly need. That's what I'm saying. Because this idea of having more gear and you know, address the what if harm me personally. It harmed my family because, you know, if we are 3 people and I have to buy 3 things of the same thing, it costs more money. And I am 100% sure that it's harming other people. If it's harming you, or, you know, you finally decide to, you know, just to simplify things, and not saying that you have to go minimalist or anything like that. I'm just saying that look what you have, and, you know, really consider what is it you're doing, what is it you're going to do, and what is it you truly need. Don't live in the what if. I know that many folks always consider that what if for any decision, but at this point in time, let's be honest with ourselves. And I'm just going to briefly touch on preparedness. When we talk about preparedness, in that aspect, you often hear folks saying, I have been preparing for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Yet here we are. I'm not saying that nothing will ever happen, but for 20 years, you have put money and efforts in something that it had never come to fruition. I'm not putting it down. I'm just giving you facts. How about we just focus on, and let's just enjoy a little bit more? Because for 20 years, you didn't. You just didn't. You put your money and effort in something based on what if. It never happened. And yet here we are 20 years later, 20 years older, with more health issues. And we still think that perhaps next year is going to happen because now you are committed. No, your commitment should be to your family and to the little time that we have on this earth. We were given a gift of life. Let's just not waste it in a bunker. Let's just not waste it in a what if scenario. Forget about the what if. How about we focus on the what is going on right now, and what is that I have right next to me, or who is that I have right next to me that it needs my immediate attention. Perhaps if we do that, we will be better off. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I hope this video of my mistakes helps others, because I definitely know that a lot of people are being harmed by just having way too much gear, way too much clutter, and way too much anxiety nowadays.